Hello everybody, this is me2407 with another video, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys a shorter on the pegs video, but my mom was in my local Walmart today and she was lucky enough to find 2021 All-Star Wave 1 for NASCAR Authentics. Now this is not my video, this is hers, so it is not really the best, no offense to my mom, but I figured you guys would like to see what's on the pegs in my local stores. So the Wave 9 cars are kind of peg warmers, but we have a decent amount of the new wave. So we have the Byron, a Truex, there's also a Chase Elliott, and a Matt Benedetto. Once again, I didn't film this, so my mom didn't film for too long, but you get a good taste of what's there. For the cars that she ended up picking up for me, I have the Chase Elliott Universe car. Of course, he won in this one. Absolutely love this paint scheme. Favorite of all the cars for the All-Star Wave. And the William Byron car, this one's kind of ugly, but I'm a Byron fan, so I kind of needed to add this one. And then last but not least, a Kyle Busch M&M's car. So that concludes my All-Star Wave video. Really happy that I got these cars, and good luck finding it. Now I have a very exciting announcement to make soon, so be on the lookout for an odds and ends video. It's going to have some racing updates for 2021, and a huge announcement, guys. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. And comment below if you found this wave yet. Once again, it's been me2407. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day. Bye!